What is an AI agent? You have probably asked ChatGPT, you ask a question, it gives you an answer, and you are done. That's a chatbot. An AI agent is different. It does not just talk, it takes action, it thinks, decides, and executes tasks on its own. Here's what I mean. Imagine you own a cleaning company. A customer sends a message, I need my house cleaned this Friday at 10 a.m. Normally, a receptionist would check the calendar, book the appointment, send an email, update the CRM, and alert the cleaner. That takes time and money. Today, we are building an AI agent that does all of that automatically, no humans involved. A customer chat with it, it booked the appointment, sends confirmation, log to a CRM, and alert the staff, all with no code. Let's build it. Before we build our AI agent, we need a brain. I'm going to get a free Gemini API key from Google AI Studio. For this, go to googleaistudio.google.com and click on Create Key, Rename, and click on Create Key button. Your key will appear instantly. We will use this key in our workflow. For building an AI agent, we come to N8N website. You can log in to use your credentials. Initially, N8N provide you 14-day trial period to access the workspace. After the login, click on plus and create new workflow. It will open the workflow space. First, we need a way for customer to talk to our AI. I'm adding a chat trigger. This gives us a chat window that customer can open it in their browser and type messages into. The URL you see here is the front door of our business. Next, I'm adding the AI agent node. This is the brain. I connect it to the chat trigger. Then I write a system message that tells the AI exactly what its job is. Notice I'm telling it to collect specific information and use its tool when ready. Now the next step is the AI agent needs a brain to think. I'm attaching a chat model. This is the AI that understand natural language and make decision. I'm using Gemini, but you can also use N8N Credit or OpenAI. For credential, I choose my own credential and click Setup Credential. A new window open. This is where I paste the Gemini API key I just created in Google AI Studio. I'll name it so I recognize it, click Save, and the brain is connected, ready to go. Now I am adding simple memory to the AI agent's memory slot. This let the AI remember the conversation. If a customer says, I need cleaning on Friday, and then asks, can I change it to Monday? The AI remembers the original booking. Now I am setting up the simple memory node for the session ID. I will change this from the default to define below. This reveals a new field where I type in a hard-coded value demo-session-1 in key. This means every conversation in this demo share the same memory, perfect for testing. Now I am giving the AI agent its hands. First tool, Google Calendar. When the AI has all the booking details, it creates an event in the calendar automatically. First you sign in with Google. The AI fills in the customer name, date, and time. In the calendar field, select a calendar's Gmail email address. Now add the field summary and enter the description. Perform testing by clicking on execute step. Now you can see it created the event in Google Calendar. Second tool, Gmail. The AI automatically send a confirmation email to the customer. Notice I'm using the AI's extracted data to personalize the email. Once you are done, you make the changes as shown and then test, and what it does, it will send the email as displayed on the screen. Now we are changing the label to send customer confirmation. Third tool, Google Sheets. Every booking gets logged as a new row in our CRM. The office records itself automatically, no data entry required. Sign in with Google. Now for tool description, set manually. Paste the description and I will share all the details with you. Change the operation to append row. Before you make any changes, go to Google Sheet and create a sheet called client and also create a column, name, email, date, time, address, phone, status, and cleaning type. Now come back to the Google Sheet node and map all the fields that you have created in Google Sheet, such as name, address, phone, email, cleaning type, date, and time, and status. Fourth tool, another Gmail node. This one alert the cleaning staff that a new booking has been made. In a real business, this would go to the cleaner's phone. For this demo, I'm sending it to myself. Make the changes as shown on the screen. Now change the label for Gmail node to alert to the cleaning staff and change the label append row in sheet to save booking to CRM. Before I show the full demo, I found one bug in my Google Calendar because Google Calendar was not creating the event during my testing. So I changed the start and end, and I also added summary and description as two fields. So you can see on the screen. After making the changes, I will publish the workflow. Now I will show you the full demo, and for that I will take you to the chat window. I hope you have the link from chat message received note from the workflow. Once you come to that window, it will greet you. Hi there, my name is ZK. How can I assist you today? And after that, as a customer, you have to submit your request that my name is Noman Khan and I want to book the cleaning service for my home and I want to book for August 2nd, 2026 at 11 a.m. My email address is this, my phone number is this, and my address is this. You can type at any format. The workflow will automatically deduct all the fields. For example, your name, your email address, your phone number, your date and time, and physical address where the service is required and the cleaning service type. Now you can see the response from the chatbot that we have received your request and your appointment has been booked. Now you can see customer has received the email. As you can see on the screen, the customer email address is mnomanca@gmail.com and it has received the email from sparkling cleaning zainaya@gmail.com. Now I will show you the another email that company staff also has received the job alert and the email that has been sent from the company email address to mnomanca@gmail.com. Now I will show you the Google Sheet that is being used as a CRM. As you can see the new entry, as soon as the customer submit the request, it got recorded in the Google Sheet and the event has also been marked in the Google Calendar. And here is the thing, we booked it for 11 a.m. but look at the calendar, it is showing 7 to 8 a.m. This is a known time zone bug in N8N where the Google Calendar node default to America, New York time zone, even when your calendar and workflow are set correctly. I've got a fix for this, but I want to see if you can figure it out first. Drop your solution in the comment below. If you have dealt with this before, share how you fix it. I will read through all the answer and show the official fix in the next video. Let's see who get it right first. So let's recap what we just built. We created an AI agent that acts like a real receptionist. A customer chat with it and it automatically book appointment in Google Calendar, sends confirmation email to customer, update a CRM spreadsheet, alerts the cleaning staff. All of this happened with no code, just N8N and Google Gemini AI. This is the power of agentic AI. It does not just give you information, it takes action. It does the work for you. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe so you don't miss the next video. I've also created video on AI avatar and commercial AI tools. Check them out after this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.